Hello, I'm Radiant, and this time we'll take a quick look at some shenanigans you can do with Musicline's PlayLoop effect. Remember, all of this works on an unexpanded Amiga 1200. I won't be talking a lot. If you've watched my simple tutorial, most of what I'm doing should be somewhat familiar. Using PlayLoop with drum samples can produce a plucked string sound. This is a vocal sample. It sounds like this. Musicline just blows my mind. Using PlayLoop, we can time stretch the sample in real time. It won't produce a hi-fi result, but can still be useful. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Mixing with the previous frame can smooth it out a little, and adds a flange effect. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Now let's do something cool. Musicline just blows my mind. 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 Musicline just blows my mind.
Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind.
Okay, I'm going to load a small tune I made earlier based on these instruments. Notice the file size is only around 30 kilobytes. Let's quickly look at the samples and instruments. Musicline just blows my mind.
Musicline just blows my mind.
Musicline just blows my mind.
And it sounds like this.
Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind.
Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind. Musicline just blows my mind.
Hope that gives you some ideas. I'm sure there's lots more that's possible with a PlayLoop effect. This is just some of what I've figured out while faffing about. Please let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see me cover. Bye for now, and I'll see you at some future demo party.